Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. I hope all you are doing good, Aquarius. So let's see your messages. What are the messages for you, Aquarius 8 sign? Lot of cards, but I am not taking because lot of cards. If it is one, then I will pick up. If it is more than one, I don't generally. So let's see what are the messages. Aquarius. What's going, Aquarius? Oh my God. It is like very difficult to explain, very logical. So let's see your reading. Ace of Cups and the Lovers. Definitely there is love between both of you, and it is mutual also. And Ace of Cups, you have so much love towards this person. Maybe in recently you started loving yourself more than anyone else. Yes. But there is love between both of you. For some it could be physical. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Cups, 8 of Swords and Knight of Cups. So definitely there is love. Your person expressed their love to you. If not, they will. It is slow moving energy. And Queen of Cups, especially you have so much love towards this person. You have strong emotions for this person. But there is you feeling stuck when you are with this person, when you are with this relationship. You are feeling stuck. 8 of Swords energy. Maybe they are not available to you when you need them emotionally. They are in and out of your life. Maybe you only the person always want to take this relationship to next level. So this is one man army type. So you want only one person taking care, but another person only taking but not giving in return anything. That type of situation. Yes, they have love, but they are not taking any responsibility. They are only speaking words. That's why maybe you are feeling stuck. Then present 10 of Swords, the World and 7 of Pentacles. They always keep putting you on waiting mode no matter what the situation is. And the World, yeah, some cycles keep repeating between you and your person. That creates a lot of obsession and resistance in this connection. And 10 of Swords, it becoming very, very painful to you, Aquarius, especially 10 of Swords. But you still want this person. You don't know, because maybe you are addicted to this person because the devil is here. Maybe you are obsessed with this person. Maybe they are heavily obsessed with you. And 4 of Swords, future energies, 4 of Swords, the devil and 10 of Cups. You want this happiness from this person, but there is no equal give and take. You are not getting what you want here. And the devil, you are obsessed with that. And you 4 of Swords. Now you are not talking with anyone in future energies. You are healing yourself. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. Still you are thinking them. Still you are thinking about them, but still you are obsessed with obsessed with your person. For some, your person obsessed with you, but you want this happiness from your person. You still dreaming about this happiness. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, especially Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see their feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Again, under the deck here, 10 of Cups. So let's see they will offer 10 of Cups or not. Aquarius, their feelings towards you. 7 of Cups. I think you both are in no contact situation for sure. Yes, your person is not in contact with you, they are not talking to you. And Seven of Cups, your person also right now very confused. Maybe your person have options, they have to choose between those options. And Nine of Cups, they're wishing this, but they're unable to make any decision right now. Maybe they have options, maybe they are confused right now. That's why your person also healing themselves, doing meditation to get clarity and undergoing some transformation. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Capricorn especially. So let's see their intentions. Aquarius. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Maybe there are some trust issues between both of you. Maybe in past your person hurts you. Ten of Cups again. What's Eight of Wands? Communication. Maybe your person want to communicate with you. And Seven of Swords. I think there is no trust. I think you are not trusting your person. Maybe in past they lied to you, cheated on you. It could be any case. And High Priestess. Now your person undergoing some spiritual transformation. It could be a major one because the Hermit and High Priestess, Four of Swords. Definitely healing and transformation. And Ace of Wands, still your person very attracted to you. Still they are very passionate about you. Yes, I am thinking that they will text you or call you, but it will take some time, to be honest, because right now your person undergoing some transformation. They are in some transformation phase right now. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Your person right now thinking and listening to their intuition a lot, trusting their intuition. The Moon. Yes, maybe there are a lot of things going between you and your person, lot of misunderstanding still between both of you, and your person may be scared to come to make a move towards you because maybe you will reject them, that type of. So Seven of Wands. So let's see, I will explain then. Hierophant. So you are investing energy on yourself because the Sun with Six of Swords. So if they are not going to make any more, then it is okay for you because now you stand by your power, Aquarius. Now if they are not going to anymore, you decided to move on no matter what. Six of Swords energy. For some it could be long distance relationships. You want commitment, you want marriage, that's it. But I think there is no trust between both of you. Yes, mutual card, Six of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. There is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe near future, very few, your person maybe fight for this connection. They will offer equal give and take. I think if you both work on this relationship at same level, then it is going to next level. Otherwise, it is not going anywhere. Yes. Right now, your person is also working on their self, some transformation, spiritual awakening. Then maybe will make a move. It will take some time, guys. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. But you are taking your control back. You are totally in your control. Knight of Wands. You are passionate about your work. Page of Swords. Maybe they are spying on you. They are watching you. Three of Wands. Right now you are in waiting period. Yes, you both are in separation. For some, you both are in waiting on each other. This could be long distance relationship. Yeah, for some, your person may be wanting come back, but it is again slow moving. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. So let's see or Leo especially. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. So Death, yeah, Scorpio and Devil. See, they are obsessed with you. Maybe for some, this person may be toxic for you. That's why you decided to move on, because Seven of Swords is also here. Maybe for some third party situation also involved. See, Three of Cups, Six of Swords. Yeah. For some, maybe this person is really toxic for you. Maybe third party involved. They know, maybe you decided to walk away. It was ending. For some, it was ending between you and your person. Yeah. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Maybe one person treated the other person as an option. There is no equal give and take in this connection at all. show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So, not showing your emotions will also affect your relationships. So, show the world the real you. Express your feelings and share your emotions with your loved ones and with your family, with your friends. So, this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.